Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube lagging and buffering on your Mac or PC. So if your videos keeps freezing, loading slowly, or don't play smoothly, so this guide will walk you through a couple of simple settings that can often solve the problem. So to begin, open the Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner and then choose settings. Then select system from the menu on the left. And here you can turn off use graphics acceleration when available. And after that, relaunch your browser, open your YouTube again, and check if the videos are playing normally. So if the issue is still there, click the three dots once more and go to history and then open history again. And on the right side, select delete browsing data and set the time range to all time. Then click delete data. And once it is finished, restart your browser and then go back to YouTube and see if the log or buffering has been fixed. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.